In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Overstock Customer Service. If you need help with an order, a return, a refund, shipping, or another account-related issue, there are a few simple ways to reach support. The first step is to go to the Overstock website. Starting from the official site is always the best option because it helps you find the correct contact information and avoid third-party pages that may be outdated or inaccurate. Once you're on the website, one option is to call customer service directly. Phone support is useful if your issue is urgent or if you prefer speaking with a representative in real time. Customer service is available Monday through Friday from 9 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time and Saturday through Sunday from 9 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Before you call, it's a good idea to have your order details ready so the process can go more smoothly. That can save time and make it easier for the agent to look up your account or recent purchase. Another option is to submit an online support request. To do this, visit the official Help Center. Once you're there, choose the topic that best matches your issue. For example, you may see categories for orders, returns, refunds, shipping, or similar support topics. Selecting the right category helps route your request properly and can also bring up helpful answers right away. After that, submit a support request or use any contact options available on the help page. This is a good choice if your issue is not extremely urgent and you'd rather explain everything in writing. You may also be able to contact support by email using the support email listed in the help resources. If you choose this method, be clear and specific in your message. Briefly explain the issue, include any relevant order information, and describe what kind of resolution you need. Keeping your message organized can help support respond more efficiently. No matter which contact method you choose, make sure you use the official Overstock website and Help Center so you're getting the most accurate support information. And as a general safety tip, avoid sharing sensitive personal or payment details unless you're on a secure official support channel. That's how to contact Overstock customer service quickly and effectively.